the concept of overbought and oversold becomes very important. And I'm going to tell you about this, and I'm also going to show you how you can find it out in a smarter way. But अगर overbought और oversold के बारे में आपको समझना है, तो overbought and oversold क्या है? Alright, let me just highlight to you what is overbought and oversold. Overbought and oversold is a concept of momentum indicator, और momentum indicator जो है वो आपको बताता है कि क्या ये पर्टिकुलर मूवमेंट जो आप देख रहे हैं क्या वो आगे और चलेगा या नहीं. एंड देन आगे चलेगा या नहीं, इट इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन every type of trader, right? Every type of trader is having their own style, correct? Every type of trader are having their own style. So what do I mean by having their own style? You may be just participating in a smaller way, right? You may be just participating in a smaller way. You may be doing intraday trades, but some of you may be participating in a more aggressive manner. So that's what I mean, that आपका अपना style होगा. So now, having said that, so let's try and see what is overbought and oversold. So when we're going to talk about overbought and oversold, okay, when we're going to talk about overbought and oversold. So the first thing what you got to understand is that when you measure the momentum, okay, when you measure the momentum, उसका मतलब क्या है कि जब momentum चल रहा है आगे, तो आपको पता चलेगा कि कौन से दिशा में प्राइस जा रहा है, राइट? बट देन आप जानते हैं कि प्राइस आर मूविंग थ्रू अ सर्टन साइकिल. तो नाउ व्हेन अ साइकिल इज गेटिंग ओवर एंड यू वांट एन इंडिकेशन, दैट इज व्हेन द ओवरबॉट एंड ओवरसोल्ड सेटअप हेल्प्स यू. तो ओवरबॉट एंड ओवरसोल्ड सेटअप के लिए आप RSI देखेंगे, तो RSI इज लाइक अ बैंडेड ऑसिलेटर, राइट? RSI इज अ बैंडेड ऑसिलेटर, और वो आपको बताता है कि ऊपर एक बैंड है और नीचे एक बैंड है, राइट? तो ऊपर वाले बैंड में जब RSI जा रहा है या पहुंच चुका है, so it is an indication that the prices are getting into overbought zone. Overbought zone में आने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपको वहां पर आकर बेचना है, राइट? So whenever a stock is entering an overbought zone, it only means and the prices are entering a caution level. So what do you mean by caution level? That at that point in time, you have to pay attention, right? Prices may show some continued upward drive, but then you have to be careful because at that point, you can experience some reaction from there to the other side. So now when overbought and oversold zones are visible on the charts, you will know exactly when the prices are reaching an extreme. तो जब एक्सट्रीम पहुंच जाता है प्राइसेस, तो आपको समझ में आता है कि चलो अभी मुझे थोड़ा सावधानी रहना है, एंड मे बी एग्जिट माई पोजिशन और ट्रिम माई पोजिशन. तो ये सारी चीजें में मदद करता है ओवरबॉट एंड ओवरसोल्ड. इट इज नॉट फॉर यू टू गेट into a panic mode. It is for you to get into an alert mode. All right. So now, if you take a look here, right? If you take a look here, you can see that the zones on the top are the overbought, zones at the bottom are oversold. So prices may continue to move up or down, but then when they reach those zones, that is when you need to be very careful. All right. So now, if you have understood this, let us go and check out the